Hi, my name is Mario Veluso and we're here to discuss fraction part 5, addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. So let's get an example of a mixed fraction, 4 and 1/3 plus 2 and 1/2. So for this example, there are two ways that we can solve it. So this is the first way. Uh, So we first convert both of them into mixed fraction, to improper fraction, and then we proceed with the addition of improper fraction. So to convert it into improper fraction, we multiply the whole number to the denominator plus numerator. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13 over 3. So this one becomes like this. And this one, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. So now it's in improper fraction. We can proceed with addition of improper fraction. For the denominator are both prime numbers, so the LCD or LCM, or least common multiple of this one, is 3 times 2 is 6. 6. So 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 13 is 26. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 5 is 15. So this is addition, so let's put addition. Now we add this 26 and 15, 41 over 6. So we can leave it as it is, or we can change it back to mixed fraction. To change this back to mixed fraction, we divide it. 41 divided by 6. So 41 divided by 6 is 5 times 6 is 6 times 6 is 36. So 41 minus 36 is 5. So our answer is the whole number 6, and then the numerator 5, and then the divisor, which is 6. The second method is we add the fraction, and then we add the whole number and combine. So if we add the fraction, this is the second method, this is the first method, this is the second method. We add the fraction 1/3 plus 1/2. So the common denominator is 6. So 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 1 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1 is still 3. So this is 5 over 6. Now the whole number, we add 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And then we combine the whole number and the fraction, 6 and 5 over 6. We now proceed with subtraction. Subtraction of mixed fraction. So it's the same. There are also two methods of subtracting, same method like this one as in addition, but slightly different. So we use the same example, 4 and 1/3 minus 2 and 1/2. So the first method is to convert it into mixed fraction. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13 over 3 minus 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. So we get the common denominator, which is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 13 is 26. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 5 is 15. So because this is subtraction, this is subtraction. 26 minus 15 is 11 over 6. We can leave it as it is, or we can convert it into mixed fraction. 11 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6, so 5. So our answer is the whole number 1, and then the numerator, which is here, and the denominator, which is here. the second method is same as in before, but could be slightly complicated. So for the same number, 4 and 1/3 minus 2 and a half. So we subtract the fraction, and then we subtract the whole number. Although sometimes there's a borrowing involved. So let's try subtracting the fraction first. So 1/3 minus 1/2. So the common denominator is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 1, 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1 is 3. So 2 minus 3, we cannot subtract 2 minus 3. So what will happen is this 1/3 in here will borrow from 4. So this 4 and 1/3 becomes 3 plus 1 and 1/3. In this way, this will have a higher numerator. So if we convert 1 and 1/3 into improper, so 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4/3. So this one becomes 3 and 4/3. Now that this is converted, we can now subtract. We can continue with subtraction. So the new number now is 3 and 4/3 minus 2 and a half. So we subtract first the numerator, the fraction 4/3 minus 1/2. So 4/3 minus 1/2. So LCD again is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 4 is 8. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1 is still 3. This is subtraction. So 8 minus 3 is 5/6. So our fraction is 5/6. So 3, we subtract now the whole number. 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer will be 1 and 5/6. So that's how we add and subtract mixed fractions.